Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this baby blanket. Of course you can make it bigger and use it like a throw. And I made a simple, really simple border. And I use only one ball of pound of love yarn, Lime Brands, from Lime Brands yarn. And it's medium size yarn. And it recommends 6mm hook, J hook. I use 6mm for the all of it, and color pastel green. And I used almost all the ball. One of them is 454 grams and 1020 yards. You can use any yarn you choose, of course. And that's a 30-inch long square. It's newborn size. You can, if you want to make it bigger, you will need more yarn. Don't forget this. And it's so easy. It's just one row repeat, and it looks so cozy. And with a simple border, you can make it easily. Even a beginner could make it. I hope you like this blanket too. And if you are ready, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We can start now. Start with a slip knot. And for this stitch, we will need multiples of 3 multiples of 3 plus 1. I will make my chains and turn back to you. I made 114 chains. I will add one more. That was 114 was multiples of 3. And now turn back, yarn over, insert into the second stitch and make a half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through from all the loops, and yarn over, insert into the same space, make one more half double crochet. Skip this next stitch. Into this next one, make a single crochet. Into the next, make 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. Skip 1. Into the next, make a single, and into the next, make 2 half double crochets. Skip 1, make a single, into the next, make 2 half double crochets. Skip 1 stitch, into the next stitch, make a single, into the next, make 2 half double crochets, and keep going like that. That's all. I'll see you at the end of the row. I'm almost at the end. I made 2 half double crochets. Skip 1, make a single crochet, into the next, make 2 half double crochet, and I have 2 stitches left. Into this last stitch, make only 1 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. Now we will repeat same thing. Into this first stitch, you could see from here, we will always start with 2 half double crochets and finish with a single crochet. So turn back and into this first stitch, put 2 half double crochets, skip 1 stitch, into the next, make a single crochet, into the next, this one is single crochet stitch, put 2 half double crochets, skip 1 half double crochet, into the next one, make a single, into the next stitch, put 2 half double crochets, skip 1 stitch, into the next, make a single, into the next, put 2 half double crochets, and repeat this. I'll see you at the end of the row. I'm at the end. I will skip this one, into the next, make a single crochet, into the next, put 2 half double crochets, and there's 2 stitches left. Into this last one, make a single crochet, chain 1, turn, and repeat this. Start with 2 half double crochets, skip 1, make a single, make 2 half doubles, skip 1, make a single, make 2 half doubles, and repeat this as long as you want. It's so easy as you see. I will complete it and see you at the end. I complete the blanket. It's 29 inches long and 29 inches long. It's a square. Now we can make the border. You see, that's my starting point. I complete my last row in this same side, and starting from here, I will make double crochets. Just turn my work. Chain 2, that's not a double crochet. You see this space, I will insert here and make a double, and into the next space I will make 1 more. Into here, this space, make a double, and that's the next space, make 1 more double. Make 1 here and 1 here. Now I will just keep repeating this. See you in the corner. I made the last one here, and for the corner I will put 1, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets again. Then we have chains here. I will put 1 double crochet into every stitch. I'll keep going like that. For the corner I will make same things. 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, and for here just use these spaces, okay? And for this side we have stitches again. Just complete the first row like that. I almost complete the row. I'm into the last corner, and I will make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets here. And into this first stitch, insert, join with a slip stitch. Oh, that's our last row. Chain 1, insert here, make a single crochet. Let me count just a second. Now chain 2, into the next stitch make a single crochet, into the next stitch make a single crochet, chain 2, next stitch make a single, chain 2, make 2 single crochets, okay, then chain 2, don't skip here, make 2 single crochets again, chain 2, make 2 single crochets, chain 2, keep going like that. See you at the corner. I'm at the corner. I will make a single crochet here and one more here, chain 2, make a single and a single, chain 2, single, single. I had 1 stitch left here, so I made 1 here, 1 here, then make chain 2. If you have more, you can make more single crochets for just one time. If you have 2 stitches here, make 1, 2 single crochet, then make 1 more here and 2 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and keep going like that. Complete the row. I'm at the corner again. I made the corner and I made a single crochet here. I will make 1 more, then chain 2, make a single crochet and join with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. I buy a new scissors. It's so cute, and it's how could I say it? It looks durable, but I'm not used to use it, so I hope I will not break it. And I will hide this tail. I cut it so short. Why I need this one? I can use a yarn needle. Cut here, and that's finished. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest and website address. You can reach me there. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.